have your own because it's actually protection against not only bacteria and viruses, it also is a protection against radiation. So that is our wearable technology here through our self-protection technology, iProtect 24/7 and Energy Pendant. Now, at this point, introducing one of our latest and newest product, which is our energy diffuser. What does our energy diffuser do? It actually also lowers down the impact of the harmful electromagnetic radiation. And you can actually attach this circular it's just like a sticker, no, a circular sticker you can actually put into your devices such as your phones, your laptops, your tablets, your desktops, and all of your appliances that also emits radiation inside your homes. So it's actually a device that you can actually place in any kind of devices that you have that again emits harmful radiation. So here our energy has clinical studies and it actually lowers down truly the impact of electromagnetic radiation. And it's not only protection for yourself, this is also protection for your families, especially their children inside your home. So here, you can stay tech savvy without risking your health. You can actually buy a lot of devices and without risking your health with the use of our energy pendant, protect yourself and also your family against electro pollution. And that is with the help of one of our good product or great product, which is our energy diffuser. And that is all of the products that we have here in Alliance in Motion Global. And I hope you have seen already the benefits of all of these products. And true enough, this for 14 years we have already delivered a lot of